Lindsay,
Yeah.
did we do what originally we said couldn't be done?
Yes, sir.
Are you pulling out the last brake line?
The last one. Oh, hey, get out of the hole.
Stuck in the hole. Here you go. Here.
Oh, let me twist it.
Pull out. Pull out. Oh, Daddy.
Oh,
Yes,
that's what
yes,
I'm talking
yes!
about. Look at that.
Look at that!
All-
Success!
All three lines.
Oh my God! What a fucking pain in the dick, because they were rusty crusty. It took some vice grips. It took some pulling. It took some tugging. It took some rubbing. Some loving.
Well,
But-
you already made one video saying we can cut the ends off of those couple that are kind of fucked up, put a shorter one.
Yeah, we can fix what does have a fucked up fitting, but the remainder, done.
Yeah.
Anyway, all right, I'm gonna get the booster out right now, out of our way. We need to undo the collector on the exhaust. Drop the cross member out. We gotta put the car down before we drop the cross member out and put some rags behind the head and the valve cover where it's gonna touch the firewall. And then we can undo the remaining parts of the trans, the bell housing bolts, and finally it'll be out. You're gassy.
I am today.
All right, so let's do it.
Sounds
All right,
good.
so Burnsy's beating off some bolts. And I've cut some bolts that were stuck, and I've used the grinder. Hey, have I used this grinder harder than Scotty's used his grinder?
I don't know, for what I've seen and heard, he's had a couple good twinks over.
I've been shooting sparks and cutting metal, and he's had some twinks. Hey, can we put on the thing? There's two grinder experts here, but there's two different types of grinder.
Just stop.
All right, we've been cutting, grinding, beating. We're getting all the rusty crusties out. As soon as that's out, that cross member comes out, booster comes out, all that nonsense comes out. And then we can pull the trans. We're almost there, boys. We're almost there.